What is up, guys? It is your boy Saltsuavi here, and first off I want to say this video is a little bit different than the previous two Airsoft videos I've made, because this is basically just cheaters. The whole video is basically catching cheaters. It was kind of bad, but you guys decide if they're cheating or not, because some of the shots I can see where they can see I didn't hit them, but I did. But you guys decide that. So yeah, you'll see that in a minute. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Okay, the guy who just grabbed me is about to break the surrender rule, where if you're behind them and they don't know you're there, he'll yell surrender, but he does not do so, and at the end, he does an unnecessary thing.
Isn't he supposed to bang bang? He's supposed to bang bang, right?
Well, you can, but you don't have to.
But it's from behind.
Yeah.
He's supposed to yell surrender. So I'm right.
He should have, but he didn't. Oh, he's running up, he's running up!
Okay, I'm about to replay this, but I hit his knee to his thigh, so you'll see in a couple seconds of how it looks like. And also, I think the ref should have decided that we were both out, but I was too nice and just got myself out because I didn't want to deal with it. Okay, the second guy who comes through here, I hit him point blank in the chest, and he even flinches because I hit him, and then he tells me I need a bang bang and tells me that I missed. But as you can see, I definitely hit him. And in a couple seconds, you see that he doesn't even know what bang bang is.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Bang, bang.
Yeah, my bad.
You missed.
Wait, what?
You didn't hit me, I didn't feel anything.
I hit you like right there. I'll go out, I'll go out.
Whatever.
Bang, bang! Direct foot! Go, go, go!
Triple kill! Double kill!
I'm out, I'm out! Wait, wait. Oh, you're on what?
Fucking faggot right here.
Wait, what? Are you on our
This
team?
kid right here, yeah.